how to fix your camera not working in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, if your camera is not working, what you can do first is that you can double check your settings in your desktop. So from here, I will go to search and then I will type in camera privacy. This one. And then you should see this camera privacy settings. So you can click on that and then make sure that camera access is turned on. And then right here in the part that says let apps access your camera, you can scroll down and then you should see Microsoft Teams right here. So again, just make sure Microsoft Teams is turned on and then make sure camera access is turned on. Because if this is turned off, you cannot access your camera when you are using the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, after you have make sure that the settings is turned on right here for your camera, I can close this. Now I can go to the settings right here of Microsoft Teams itself. So from here, click on devices and then scroll down until you see video settings. So here I am in the video, you can see me in the camera. And then make sure that you are also using the correct camera right here. So right now I'm using this one, the USB HD UVC webcam. So make sure that you are using the correct device because, for example, if you are not using the correct device for your camera, so for example, I use this one, OBS Virtual Camera. As you can see, it doesn't display anything right here since this is not set up properly. So just make sure that you are using your correct camera, which in my case, it is this one, the USB webcam as well. If you're also inside of the meeting, you can also change this. So for example, I'll go to the calendar, click Meet Now, click Start Meeting. Then I can see my video camera right here. Then I can also click the Open Video options and then make sure that I'm using the correct camera as well. After that, I can also click Join Now. And then I can also change the camera settings right here. So make sure you're using the correct camera, or you can also click More Video Effects and Settings. And then make sure that you're still using the correct camera right here. Because again, if you're using the incorrect device, like for example, my OBS Virtual Camera, so it doesn't really display anything in my video. Again, just make sure you're using your correct camera right here, which in my case, it is the webcam. So right here, the camera is not working. Oh, now I can see the camera working properly again right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the camera not working in Teams. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.